Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build lead generation forms with JotForm, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the JotForm website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once logged in, click on the create form button to start a new project. Select the option to create a form from scratch or choose a template. If you prefer a template, browse through the available options and select one that fits your needs. For a blank form, choose Start from Scratch to open the form builder. In the form builder, you'll see a menu on the left side with various form elements. Drag and drop the short text field to the main area for entering names. Next, add an email field for capturing email addresses. You can also include a phone number field if you want additional contact information. For lead generation, consider adding checkboxes or multiple choice questions to gather specific interests. Click on each field to customize the label and placeholder text as needed. Use the Settings tab at the top right to configure form preferences. Set up your form notifications to receive emails whenever someone submits the form. To ensure your form is user-friendly, click on the Preview button. Review how the form appears to your audience and test its functionality. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your form live. You will see options to share your form via a direct link or embed it on your website. Choose your preferred method of sharing and copy the embed code if needed. Make sure to track submissions in the JotForm dashboard to analyze your lead generation efforts. Congratulations, you've just built a lead generation form with JotForm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.